One-off wins are exciting, but real success comes from repeatable systems. In this final lesson, we'll show you how to build a recurring growth framework, a weekly and monthly process that turns your ASO into a reliable engine for visibility, installs, and long-term retention. What is a recurring growth framework? It's a system that ensures you're always testing, you're always learning, you're always compounding results. Instead of reacting when rankings dip, you're proactively building momentum every week. This framework keeps your app growing, no matter what updates, competitors, or seasonality you face. Step 1. Set weekly ASO rituals. Every week review. Keyword movement. Who's gaining, who's losing, and where you're stuck. Install conversion rates. How are your screenshots and video performing? Top 5-star and 1-star reviews. What are users saying now? Ask, what should we test this week? Examples. Swap your icon and A/B test tap-through rate. Reorder screenshots based on user priorities. Add new keywords to your subtitle or long description. Small experiments drive big improvements over time. Step 2. Run monthly deep dives. Once a month, zoom out and analyze. Keyword coverage expansion. Did you add 5 to 10 new ones? Localization effectiveness. Are translated listings converting? Review trends. What praise or complaints are increasing? Cohort retention by acquisition source. Then set your next month's growth focus. Will it be retention, metadata updates, screenshot redesigns? Prioritize what will move the needle. Step 3. Build a feedback-driven roadmap. Your growth plan should come from your users, not from your gut. Use app reviews, in-app feedback, support tickets, survey data, behavior analytics, retention, churn, engagement. Then tie user insights directly to your ASO tests. If users complain about onboarding, test a screenshot that shows how easy onboarding is. If they love a feature, make that feature your main image. Step 4. Automate what you can. Use tools like App Tweak or Sensor Tower for keyword tracking, Looker Studio or Amplitude for dashboards, Slack alerts for rating changes or ranking dips, Notion or Asana to track experiments and wins. Your time should go toward testing and strategy, not manual reporting. Step 5. Involve the whole team. ASO is cross-functional. Make sure your product, UA, creative, and customer success teams see your weekly dashboard. Contribute to metadata ideas. Understand how ASO supports retention and revenue. Growth becomes cultural, not just tactical. Final thought. You now have everything you need to build a growth machine, not just get more downloads. Your recurring growth framework is how you stay relevant, competitive, and visible for the long haul. So as you close this course, ask yourself, is ASO a habit in your company? Or is it still an afterthought? Because the teams that win in ASO don't work harder. They work smarter every week.